Today I am gonna try and make some Brabantse Worstenbroodjes as made by the Twistedchef, and I'm using his recipe. So first we need to make the dough, and the dough is 500 grams of flour, 220 milliliters of milk, 20 grams of caster sugar, 10 grams of salt, 14 grams of yeast, which is quite a bit, 2 packets of yeast, 1 egg, that was not the best way of cracking an egg, and then I need to mix all of this together. I need to add the butter a little bit at a time. So I'm going to grab a little. I've kneaded this now for about 10 minutes. It's nice and smooth. The dough looks really nice. And now I need to divide it into 20 pieces. So I'm just gonna eyeball this, 1, 2, 3. I need to roll this into tight little balls. And I'll place them on a tray. Okay, so I'll just leave these to stand for about 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna make the filling. Filling consists of half and half beef mince and pork mince, 110 grams of panko crumbs, some nutmeg, some salt, some pepper, some paprika, some Worcestershire sauce, do a little bit of mustard here, 2 eggs, let's mix all of this stuff together. The filling is prepared, so what I'm going to do is actually just going to prep for when I need to roll out the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to make 16 little balls out of this to make the sausages. Oh, actually I can make the sausages, but let's do 16 balls first. Okay, I've made 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 little meatballs, but I'm going to roll this into sausages. Time to roll out the dough and put in the filling and prep it for resting another hour. Okay, so roll this out into a bit of an oval. Okay, take this, fold in the sides like that, fold in this side, on that side, pinch it, and then roll it. There we go. There we go. 16 of these sausage rolls, and it now needs to stand or rest for an hour. Okay, this is ready to go into the oven. I need to just brush this with some egg and milk mixture. So I've mixed an egg and some milk. And I'm gonna brush these. Okay, all done. Now I just need to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here we go. It's gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes and then we'll eat it. Okay, here we've got one of the Worstenbroodjes. I just want to cut it in half and see what it looks like. There we go. Very hot. Nice.